Hello student, this is our 10th problem from unsolved exercise. Chapter is thermodynamics and the book is Maharashtra State Board book. So read this problem carefully. A hypothetical thermodynamic cycle is shown in the figure. This is the figure given to you. Calculate work done in 25 cycles. So here we have to find out work done for 25 cycle of this thermodynamic system. So on y axis pressure is given to you, on x axis volume is given to you. Work done, it is nothing but area over this PV diagram. So remember here, work for one cycle of system, that work is nothing but area of this ellipse, area of ellipse. Remember, it is not circle, it is elliptical shape. So area of ellipse, it is given by formula pi AB. Pi AB. So what is A? A is nothing but length of semi major axis, that is along y axis, x axis, and B is length of semi minor axis, that is along y axis. So here A and B firstly we will find out and then substitute this value in work. So A, here A, it is nothing but semi major axis. Semi means divided by 2, and how one can find out this? 6 and 2. Final volume is 6 and initial volume is 2. Common term is into 10 raised to power minus 3. So 6 minus 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 divided by 2, since it is semi major axis. So it becomes 4 by 2, that is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter cube. This is value of A along y axis, x axis. So x axis is V here, volume. Then along y axis there is pressure. So the value of B we can find out. Final minus initial, 11 minus 1 divided by 2, semi minor axis, into 10 raised to power 5. This scale is given to you, 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. So 10 by 2, it becomes 5 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Substitute the value of A and B to find out work done. This is work done for one cycle, but in problem we require 25 cycle. So for 25 cycle, total work, it is 25 times pi AB. Now it is very simple, 25 into pi, 3.14. Value of A, 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and value of B, it is 5 into 10 raised to power 5. So solve it. It becomes 5 into 2, 10, 250, 3.14, 10 raised to power 2. On solving this, your result will be 7.85 into 10 raised to power 4, 10 raised to power 4 joule. This is total work for 25 cycle of thermodynamic system. Problem number 12. A system is taken to its final state from initial state in hypothetical paths. The paths are shown in this figure: AB, BC, CD and again DA. Calculate the work done in each case. That means we have to find out work along path AB, then work along BC, work along CD and work along DA. That is the required result in this problem. So remember here, AB, these 2 points are acting at same pressure, 6 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. Then CD, these 2 points, they are also at constant pressure, 2 into 10 raised to power 5. So to find out work along path AB, for path AB there is change in volume at constant pressure, 6 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. So we can find work by using formula P into del V, that is P into VB minus VA. VB minus VA. So pressure for path AB, it is 6 into 10 raised to power 5, and VB, it is 6, volume is in liter given to you. So liter is not standard unit, convert it into meter cube. So it becomes 10 raised to power minus 3. So VB is 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3 and VA is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3. 10 raised to power minus 3 take common here. Now it becomes 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4. 6 minus 2, 4, and 24 into 10 raised to power 2. This is the amount of work done in Joule. Then second term, work done along path BC. So here these 2 points, they are located at same volume and therefore difference of volume will be 0. So work done for path BC, it will be 0. Then third one, again work done along CD. So see here CD, there are 2 different volumes maintained at constant pressure. Pressure is 2 into 10 raised to power 5. Again we can use same formula P into del V, that is P into VD minus VC. Final minus initial. We have to take final minus initial, VD minus VC. So pressure 2 into 10 raised to power 5, VD, it is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 3, and VC, it is volume at point C, 6 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Take 10 raised to power minus 3 common, 2 into 10 raised to power 2, 2 minus 6, it becomes minus 4. So it is minus 8 into 10 raised to power 2 joule. This is the negative work acting along path CD. Why? Because there is compression of the volume of system takes place. Then fourth, work done along DA. See these 2 points DA. Again there is change in pressure but volume is constant. So difference of volume will be 0. So work done for this path DA is 0.